Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Evans Garage. Today I'm going to be installing some horns onto Old Blue, so my 1993 Dodge W250. And the issue I'm having in that truck is the horns are not functioning correctly. I believe one of them is a little out, so I decided to upgrade and get some new horns here. The thing I was really looking for was something with a bit of a deep tone because it's an older truck. You know, I think it's only fitting that it has a nice deep tone to the sound. So I'll take you out there. You can have a listen of the existing horns, and then we'll get these bad boys installed. And maybe I'll install these in addition to whatever's working on the truck, and we'll see what we can come up with. All right, here's inside the vehicle with the stock horn. And here's with the door open. Alright, so I've got the new horns mounted in here on the driver's side fender well. One of the stock horns ended up being bad, and I decided to keep one stock horn and then have the two new horns. So I'll give you a test of the two new horns and then all three horns together. Okay, here's just the two new horns. Two new horns and the stock horn.